Today I'm going to visit Ayutthaya from Bangkok. Spotlight is going to be on Wat Yai Chai Mongkhon. It is the landmark of Ayutthaya. It is one of the few 14th century pagodas that allows visitors to see inside it. So I believe I've reached the rail station. Now I'm trying to figure out how to go to Ayutthaya. This is the ticket counter of Bangkok rail station. It costed me only 15 baht, and this is the waiting area. Ayutthaya is more than 80 kilometers away from Bangkok, so I was expecting the ticket to be 2 to 3 times more expensive. And this is the gate to departure. Just notice a vintage style steam train. I think it is for decoration. And this is the train that is going to take me to Ayutthaya. The interior is not bad for a 15 baht train. For a third class train, seats are okay, it is clean. So the train was almost on time. It is only 2 minutes late, so I can say that it is on time. It is going to take a little more than 2 hours to reach to Ayutthaya. The window view is not very exceptional, so you can sleep for 2 hours. This is Ayutthaya station. I'm going to leave my luggage here. They charge me only 10 baht. The tuk-tuk of Ayutthaya looks like boats. I got myself a tuk-tuk. 4 or 5 people can sit here for 900 baht. I'm going to see few temples. So far, it's amazing. And this is the ticket counter of Wat Yai Chai Mongkhon. Foreigners do need to pay 20 baht for a ticket. And this is the scaled down version of this place. It was a Buddhist monastery in 16th century. Buddha is looking at the rising sun. It symbolizes you can meditate in your sleep as well. You can meditate while taking rest as well. It also symbolizes the final moments of Gautam Buddha's life before passing into final stage of nirvana. I came across this beautiful temple. People are paying respect. In the year 1357, 2 princes of Ayutthaya died of cholera. Then the first king of Ayutthaya, King Wuthong, ordered the bodies to be exhumed. A monastery, a stupa, a preaching hall was established in that cremation site. This monastery was so famous that the monks from the Sri Lanka used to come here. In the year 1592, King Naresuan defeated the Burmese army by killing the Burmese crown prince in single-handed combat on elephant. It is assumed that on that occasion, the king ordered the restoration and enlargement of the temple. Presumably, this celebration gave rise to the temple's new name, Wat Yai Chai Mongkhon, the Great Temple of Auspicious Victory. And now I'm going to climb the stairs and see what is up there. Before going to the chambers of this pagoda, I'm going to go to the terrace of this chedi. I think it is an amazing view. So I was not ready to see this beautiful view from this terrace, but the view is beautiful. So we can see that there is still construction going on, and I believe this place is going to look even better after that construction finishes. I did not realize that this place is so much green until I came up here. Look at it, beautiful flower, all green everywhere. Love this place. And now it is time to go inside the chamber of this pagoda. So in the middle we can see there is a reliquary chamber to keep the relics. Apparently this place is filled with so many Buddha statues. And now I'm going to try to show you the reliquary chamber. Monks and priests used to keep their relics. The most important relics were stored here. Along the inner wall of the gallery, you are going to see rows of Buddha images on decorated bases. The bases contain the ashes of the dead. And this is the remains of the vihara, the monastery. It can be described as the residence of the monks, a center of religious work, meditation, and a center of Buddhist learning. I think the statue helps us to visualize this place better. Also, the green plant make this place look even better. Also, we can see the chedi from here. When I was walking at the terrace of the chedi, I noticed that there is lake around this. I decided to spend some time by this lake. I think it is a nice place. If you want, you can feed those fishes. If you want, you can stay here for a long time. But I have more place to visit and my driver is waiting, so I have to go.